Welcome to Arogya Pain Cure Clinic. Hello Northeast, here we are starting our new department for pain. A very good news for all our viewers from Northeast. If you are suffering any type of a severe neck pain, back pain, knee pain, shoulder pain, any type of spinal deformities, severe pain due to disc issues and nerve compression, chronic migraine, and if you are already tired of getting medication and other treatments with no result at all, this will be the perfect place for the relief you are craving for so long. We are the one and only our type of pain relief center all over the Northeast. In the next part of this video, we are sharing some of the facilities we are providing at our center. Our new department is fully dedicated for pain relief. We are geared up with high-tech facilities and equipments for therapies. Our therapists are certified in all these fields. Our expert, Dr. Sharma, is having Diploma Master of Chiropractor from Akraman College of Sweden, Fellowship in Osteopathic Manipulation Therapy from IHC, Australia. He is also having Diplomate in Osteopathic and Manipulation Therapy from the Osteopathic College of Ontario, Canada. For facilities, first we have Soft Chiropractic and Osteopathy. Soft Chiropractic facilities are basically for spinal manipulation, spinal correction, fixing joint malalignment, spinal decompression, manipulation for improving joint health, and relieving joint and muscle pain. Osteopathic treatment includes craniosacral osteopathy, visceral osteopathy. Next is instrument-assisted soft tissue release. One can also have severe pain due to muscle tightness or tendon tightness. There are some trigger points which, once released, can be the permanent solution for the pain patient is suffering from so long. Next is robotic spinal decompression therapy. Many patients used to suffer severe back to leg pain due to nerve compression at the spinal level. So this robotic spinal decompression table works miraculously good for disc related issues along with nerve compression. Next is advanced scanning laser therapy. Laser therapy is a modern medical treatment that uses a beam of light of a specific wavelength to stimulate tissue healing and treat pain and inflammation in a non-invasive manner. Laser proved to be very good for relieving pain for different types of joint and muscle conditions, and also very useful to alleviate pain post-injury. We treat multiple conditions with laser such as joint pain, arthritis, carpal tunnel syndrome, fibromyalgia, back pain. Next is advanced pneumatic radial extracorporeal shockwave therapy. Shockwave therapy is also used for severe muscular pain relief. It helps to release muscle for larger muscular area. It is mostly useful for treating muscular conditions. Next is cupping therapy for pain relief. Wet cupping therapy and dry cupping therapy. Dry needling for myofascial trigger points causing restrictions in movement. Our team is always on toes to serve you. If you couldn't get any way to get relief from your pain, this pain relief clinic can prove a boon for you. Book your appointment now.